Hi! Ako naman yinig nyo. Ano pwedeng Ano pwedeng... Ano pwedeng kantahin?
Ay, ano yan?
Happy birthday! Ayoko so. Ay, Arlian. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hello, 18 ka, no?
Ay. Sigurong ka na din.
Last na lang isa sa lalala.
Tanda mo na, boy! Bisa tayo.
Bye!
Bye! See you later!
Hi, Arlian. Sorry, may script ako. Happy legality. I hope adulthood treats you gently. I know you always put others first, but now that you've stepped into this new chapter, remember to take care of yourself too. Don't ever feel guilty for choosing yourself. Arlian, just know that at every table, I'll always save you a seat. I love you more than words can say. Bye-bye.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lian. I just wanted to wish an amazing day filled with happiness, laughter, and all things you love. Thank you for being such a wonderful person. Your kindness and energy really brighten everyone around you. Hope this year brings you more success, good health, and unforgettable moments. Enjoy your special day. You truly deserve it. Happy birthday, Lian.
Ako simple lang ako happy birthday. Syempre yung mga pagdaanan natin ganun. Huwag mo kalimutan lagi yung past mo na malayo na yung narating mo. May times na alam ko nahihirapan ka dun sa part ng buhay mo at minsan syempre meron din times na parang akalain mo hindi mo ma-overcome yung problems na yun. Pero ayun na parang andito ka na parang merong more problems to come pa, and as you look forward, lagi mong tatandaan yung mga na-overcome mo na problems and mag-learn pa from failures and yung mga sacrifices mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Arlian. Happy birthday to you, and I wish you all the best. Best pala. Tapos, sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong night, and sana lumaki ka ng maayos, and good luck sa college mo, and see you sa mga gala natin, and I hope you have peace. You find peace within you. Happy birthday. Hi, Arlian. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this day as much as we will. Don't forget to thank God for everything, especially this day. Love you, and I'm always gonna be here.
Hi! Wala na, ako na lang yung pinakabata kasi bakit mo nag-birthday ka pa? Pwede naman kasing sabay na lang tayo nag-birthday ng July. Tingnan mo, ako tuloy yung pinakabata ngayon. Anyway, maiksi lang to kasi lahat ng sasabihin ko mamaya na lang sa speech at saka din sa letter. Pero yung letter, pinaprint ko kay Brent tapos nawala nung ni Brent sa circuit. So, kasalanan ni Brent na wala ko maaabot mamaya. Pero iaabot ko sa'yo bukas kasi magkita pa tayo bukas. Anyway, hi Arlian, as you watch this, I want to thank you for inviting me siyempre. Thank you for always joining me sa canteen. Kahit hindi always. Pero kapag nag-aya ko mag-canteen, ikaw yung laging umuoo. For your favorite line na ako muna magbabayad sa babayaran mo ako kasi napakahilig mo sa spontaneous trip. Tapos, alam mo hindi ako papayagan. Kaya, alam mo hindi ako papayagan o kaya alam mo wala akong pera. Kaya sabihin mo, ikaw muna magbabayad tapos bayaran na lang kita. Pero kung hindi ako mapapayag kasi nakakalimot ako magbayad ng utang. So, thank you for randomly buying us food na hindi naman namin hinihingi. For always being willing to help. Thank you kasi lalo na nung may pasok, pag bumaba ka ng canteen, tapos pagbalik mo ng classroom, may dala ka laging mikako na napasandamakmak. Tapos kapag hiningi ko sa'yo yung mikako, ibibigay mo. For always being willing to help, kasi naalala ko nung retreat, pagsakay natin ng bus, natanggal yung lens ng salamin ko, tapos wala din yung screw. Tapos, hindi ko in-expect na tutulungan mo ko na maikabit ulit yung salamin ko. Akala ko okay na yung tinulungan mo ko na hanapin yung lens. Pero tinulungan mo talaga akong madikit ko yung salamin ko together. Tapos, matali ko pa ng nylon. dahil yun sa braces mo sa labas. Being helpful is in your nature and I'm grateful to have experienced that. Ayun lang. Basta lahat ng sasabihin ko na mahalaga nandun sa letter or nasa speech ko mamaya. Maganda yung sasabihin ko sa'yo mamaya. Pakinggan mo yun na. Wala lang. Ako ng pinakabata. Saka na sa mga nakilala kayo sa Rizal dati. Happy birthday!
Hi, Lulu! Happy birthday! 18 ka na. Hindi ko na alam talaga sasabihin kasi nasabi ko na lahat sa letter. Sasabihin ko mamaya. I just wanna say that I hope you enjoy your day and that the life ahead of you is the life that you wanted and that you wished for yourself. I hope that you achieved everything you want to achieve in your life. That's all. And that I'm always here to support you. Love you!
Natawa ako sa'yo, Elian. Natawa, Elian. Ang tagal mo, naghihintay na kami, oh. Ano na? Mga 6:01 na. Porket siguro debut mo no? Tagal mo no? Joke lang. Hello. Sana napatawad mo na ako sa pag-ignore sa'yo ng grade 9. But, kidding aside, I hope you enjoy this night. And that you continue to grow and even become better. Sana rin ma-figure out mo yung mga gusto mo, what you want to do and pursue in life. Don't forget that your girly pops are always here for you no matter what. No matter what. Happy birthday and I love you. Tagal mo Bye-bye!
Hello? Shopee delivery for Kelsey? Kelsey? Shopee delivery?
Ano yung debut? Hi, Kelsey. Happy birthday. Come on, kids. Ayaw ni Sia. Tinry ko lang. Ang cool ka, sir. Bye-bye. Hello? Hi, Kelsey. Happy birthday. Ngayong 18, teka, di ko to angulo. Ngayong 18 ka na, artehan mo pa. Kulang pa. Okay, yun lang. Love you.
Tama siya. Happy birthday, Kelsey.
Happy birthday to the Kelsey. 676767. Happy birthday, Tita Kelsey. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Kelsey. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Kelsey. I love you.
I love you. Ay, kakalat na.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Ba yun? Again yun. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Kelsey.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ceci. Aray, wait lang po. Ikaw naman.
Mami!
Hello, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ganon.
Bye-bye, Ceci. Panghirap. Aray.
Hi, sis! Thank you for inviting me. Happy birthday to you. By the way, may filter ba to? O siya. Have fun! Bye! Love you!
Thank you ko dyan. May bayad to. Happy birthday, Kalstoink. Tama.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Saan mo ba yung barangay?
Pitipiyo-piyo.
Barangay Pitipiyo. Happy birthday, Arlian. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na sobrang ganda ko. Pero ngayon, ikaw muna yung maganda. Kasi birthday mo naman. So,
Your day!
it's your day today. So, happy birthday sa'yo, idol.
O yan o, wala kang balak i-story yung my day ko sa'yo. Napakaganda mo nga dun eh. Ay, dito ba? Be, kape tayo, be. Kape tayo, ano? Kape tayo, be. Be, libre mo, be, libre mo. Tas yung gala natin bukas, kung hindi mo ito kung hindi mo ito mapanood ngayon, isipin mo, May 3 bukas. Tapos, aalis tayo bukas kasi lilibre mo kami, di ba? Oo. Yes. And,
Hello?
Hi, Chelsea! So, happy birthday sa'yo. Si Liel, so alam mo naman yung pogi mong pinsan. Pero mas pogi pa yung mga iba, trust me. Anyways, inaasahan ko at napipray ko na happy birthday at sa buhay mo after neto, tong panahon na to at tong buong araw, hope and pray ko na maging adventurous, maganda. Hope and pray ko rin na kahit anong struggle mapunta sa buhay mo, hope and pray ko na maayusan mo yan, ma-overcome mo at na magkaroon ka ng magandang pamilya. Parang ito, yung pamilya natin, no? Well, happy birthday, Kelsey. Hello, PLDT. Yung wifi ko po, di po gumagana. Kailangan ko na po mag-travel. Joke. Happy birthday. Narinig mo yung yung order ng kuya mo. Pero ulo, Anyways. Wala, there's a cookie in a loose. Okay, goodbye. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me.
Pabili po ng one piece chicken joy, tsaka ng 2-piece chicken nuggets, dalawa lang. Tsaka isa pong lunch soda. Ikaw, may gusto ka ba? Dalawang 2-piece chicken joy, ay, dalawang 1-piece chicken joy na daw po.
Ang arte mo. Happy birthday! Bakit ganun yung intro mo? Parang vlog. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Hello, Kelsey.
Hello, bro.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
18 ka na. Pakabait ka na.
Pakabait ka na.
Happy birthday.
Ano? Babatiin kita, Kelsey. O, bilangan mo ako, pare. Happy birthday, Kelsey! Ang galing ko. Sige, mamaya na. Oh. Babatiin naman kita. 1, 2. Happy birthday, Chelsea! Okay na yan, okay na yan. Iwan mo si Sander. Balik mo.
Hi, Beth! Pangatlong entry na namin sa bayo. Sir, para masulit yung bayad, tama ka na, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Asa na regalo namin? Asa ng camera? Asa na regalo namin? Happy birthday. Dapat lalabas pa rin tayong trio. Asa na regalo namin? Yes. Ay, balato. 18 blue bills. Oh, balato. Take 1K. 1.5. Happy birthday. Bye! Hi, Sisi! Happy birthday to you! Teka. Maganda, lapit kasi yan. Ay! Dito ka na, dito ka sa akin. Dito. Sama! Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka. Laki ng ginastos natin. Okay, happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Hi, Lizu. Happy 18th birthday again. I just want to let you know na thank you for inviting me and my friends sa Dipumo. I really had a wonderful day sa Dipumo, and I hope many more birthdays come, and may you and Sanford have many more memories to continue. I just want to let you know, thank you for being a good friend and for being my first friend in Cardinal. You mean a lot to me, even though we rarely interact. But I know that you're a wonderful person, and may you brighten everyone's day and surround yourself with beautiful people. And I hope to see you and Chamfer grow together. And yun lang. I have a lot more to say to you. Like, one of them are, thank you for being a beautiful person and for being the kindest person. Happy birthday and thank you again. Okay na? Thank you for inviting us, Arlian. And happy birthday.
Ala, baka, kala ko nagbibideo sa Asian. Pero hi ka dito. Saan pa hi ka dito? Bakit invited yung mga, more birthday to come. Sana maging healthy ka and also good luck sa college. Sana magkaroon ka ng maraming friends. Yun lang.
Hello, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. And sana enjoy mo tong 18th birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa'yo dahil nandiyan ka palagi para sa akin kahit alam mong minsan nawawala ako sa sarili. Yeah, maraming salamat sa'yo. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Kelsey!
Happy birthday, Kelsey. Orp.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Sana natuwa ka! Sana nag-enjoy ka ng gusto!
Happy birthday, love you.
Ikaw?
Saka po isang one piece burger steak.
Ako, french fries, yung maraming cheese at bacon.